How innovation can address societal challenges. The debate about it is heated. In this study, we highlight the pivotal role of social enterprises in innovation policies. The first wave of innovation policies started in the 1950s, addressing market failure in research and development. Later on, in the 1980s, a second wave reoriented innovation policies around incentivizing the last mile of innovation. Nowadays, we assist to a paradigm shift represented by transformative innovation policies, the so-called TIPS. TIPS depart from the exclusive focus on economic growth and orient the innovation ecosystem toward resolving societal challenges within the framework of the UN Agenda 2030. In this paper, we contend that social enterprises which jointly pursue economic and social goals could trigger transformative innovation policies. We formalize a framework and find the key dimensions to measure social enterprises' transformative innovation potential. And they are directionality, social goal as the purpose of innovation, social and geographical inclusiveness, also reflexivity, intended as participatory governance model and goal achievement monitoring scheme, and lastly, experimental character, intended as the capacity to establishing partnership with heterogeneous actor. And we then assess this capacity through a survey and a cluster analysis of Italian social enterprises. And the results reveal a variety of entrepreneurial approaches, from largely transformative to not at all. We also find that social enterprises' ongoing technological transformation can accelerate the potential for more transformation-oriented social enterprises. Our findings are policy relevant, as policymakers may undertake pilot schemes with most ready social enterprises and support a transformative innovation ecosystem. Our results also open a new research scenario for an innovation growth model based on sustainable development.